Well, we have just actually signed agreement between Zimbabwe and Dangote Group to do various investments in various sectors, some of which, of course, broader this in cement, some of it in power generation, some of it in pipeline to bring petroleum products. You know, we're in the business of producing oil. We have the largest refinery in the world, single lane in Nigeria, and we want to bring it to Walrus Bay and then pipe down here. So there are a couple of other investments which we're looking at. It's a broader investment, really. It's in hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe even up to $1 billion. But you know, we will tell you the amount as we go along. But really, it will be over $1 billion because of the pipeline.
What has changed? You were last here in 2015. What significant change have you seen on the ground?
Well, yeah, there are quite a lot of change between that time when we came and now. Government is solid. There is a lot of transparency, and also when you look at what His Excellency has actually done in terms of turning the economy around. That really gave us the confidence that, look, this is the right time for us to come and invest. And, it's like somebody, when you pass exam, people have to give you a good mark. So His Excellency has passed that exam. And,
thank you very much.